Hello, friends. Today I'm going to tell the chapter summary of The Kingdom of Fools from Grandma's Bag of Stories by Sudha Murthy. There was a kingdom ruled by a proud king. He boasted to everyone that he and his people were very intelligent. The teacher who had taught the king when he was a child heard about this and decided to teach him a lesson. So he made a plan and told his students Umesh, Mahesh, and Harish to go to the kingdom and teach the king a lesson. The next day, Harish went to a pawn shop in the market which was selling betel leaves. The seller told to Harish that 200 leaves cost 10 rupees. Harish paid 10 rupees but told the pawn seller to give him only 25 leaves. He told that he would tell his servant to collect the remaining 175 leaves. The pawn seller agreed and Harish went to a shawl seller. The seller told that one shawl was 200 rupees. Harish told the shawl seller that he would buy the shawl for 25 rupees now and he could take the remaining 175 rupees from the pawn seller. Harish then gave a note to him that said to give the remaining 175 to the person with this note. The shawl seller sent his servant with the note to the pawn seller to see if Harish was telling the truth. When his servant went to the pawn seller and gave the note to him, the pawn seller told that he could come half an hour later to get the remaining 175. The shawl seller believed this and he gave the shawl to Harish. Harish then went out of the market. After half an hour, the servant went to the pawn seller. He was surprised that the pawn seller gave him 175 leaves instead of 175 rupees. He called the shawl seller and both of them had an argument. And it took some time for them to realize that someone had tricked them. The next day, Mahesh, in his fancy clothes, went to the shop of the king's carpenter. The carpenter thought that Mahesh was rich and he showed his inventions. He showed a lock and told that it could lock a person. Mahesh pretended to not believe him and he told to prove it. The carpenter locked himself with the lock and told Mahesh to use the key to free him. But Mahesh took the key and ran away. The king heard of these incidents and became worried. He decided to find this out in disguise. The next day, the king went in disguise and when he reached near the city gates, he saw a mango seller sitting alone. The mango seller was actually Umesh. When the king asked why he was sitting alone, Umesh said that he had heard that the leader who was behind the recent incidents was going to come in that way. The king told to Umesh that he also wanted to see that person. Umesh told the king to hide in a sack. When the king hid in the sack, Umesh tied the king inside the sack and ran away. The king's soldiers found him in the sack and took him out. The king's old teacher, Mahesh, Umesh, and Harish went to the king and told him how his students had tricked him. The king learned his lesson and stopped boasting. This story was very enjoyable and interesting to read. I hope that you too enjoyed this chapter summary. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Bye.